Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play a Pokémon Black and White randomizer. First, you'll need to download a randomizer program, often found online. Next, acquire a clean ROM file of Pokémon Black or White. Open the randomizer application and load your ROM into it. This initial step is crucial for preparing your unique randomized adventure. Take your time to ensure everything is set up correctly before proceeding to the next stage of customization. Now, let's dive into the core randomization options. You can randomize wild Pokémon encounters, making every patch of grass a surprise. Trainer Pokémon teams can also be shuffled, ensuring no two battles are ever the same. Don't forget to randomize your starter Pokémon for a truly unique beginning. Additionally, consider randomizing item locations and technical machines to keep exploration exciting and unpredictable throughout your journey. Once in game, strategy becomes paramount. You'll need to adapt your team composition constantly to face unexpected Pokémon types and abilities. Be ready for gym leaders who might have incredibly powerful or unusual teams, requiring creative battle approaches. Thorough exploration is key, as essential items and technical machines will be in randomized locations. Every battle and every route presents a fresh, exciting challenge, demanding flexibility and quick thinking from you. Finally, the most important part is to simply enjoy your unique journey. Embrace the unpredictability. It's what makes randomizers so much fun. Share your wild encounters and challenging battles with friends or online communities to enhance the experience. Experiment with different randomization settings for endless replayability, perhaps trying a minimal grinding or type-themed run. You might even discover new favorite Pokémon through these unexpected encounters, making each playthrough truly memorable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.